Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to make some really good Minecraft traps. So, this one is going to be like a trap chest where you fall into lava. So, you get a trap chest, you get some resin torches, some redstone, some lava, and you can get some like stone to like make it look like a castle or something. So first you're gonna want to put the chest like this. You're gonna want to put these like this, so when you activate them they turn off. Oh, and you also want sticky pistons. And then, so you want them like this. You probably want 4 in the row. So when they are activated, they will all hide in the lava. That, if you open the chest, will fall to. So, you want 4 like that. You want it to the sides of the chest, so you open them, turn off the redstone. So now, you want the, you want redstone like this to go up and to the back of all of these. And repeat that with the other side. So then they're blocking it. So and then hiding it, it will just look like a normal cave or castle, and you will want to see what's in the chest. So in survival, you'll be like, ooh, what's in this chest? And you'll fall and die with it closing above your head. That's all. Thanks and subscribe.